The transformative power of a tidy home. How regular cleanliness can enhance and have a positive impact on your quality of life. Keeping a tidy home is more than just about aesthetics. It can have profound and far-reaching effects on overall well-being, productivity, and the quality of life that one experiences on a daily basis. In this video, we explore the advantages and reasons for regularly keeping your home clean. Maintain and direct your attention specifically towards the FlyLady system for optimal results. An effective approach for household organization. The advantages of maintaining cleanliness on a regular basis. The input is the number one. Mental relief. A neat home has a positive influence. The mental well-being. Chaos and disorder can result in feelings of stress and anxiety. By tidying up, you create a calming atmosphere, environment that assists you in releasing stressful thoughts. To unwind, 2. Boost in productivity leads to increased efficiency and output. Maintaining a tidy work environment is crucial for promoting productivity. You no longer waste time searching for misplaced items, but can concentrate, directing our attention towards what truly matters in life. 3. Sense of pride and satisfaction experienced. Maintaining a tidy living space provides you feeling success and satisfaction. When you walk through your tidy rooms, will you be filled with pride, which in turn releases positive energy and motivation, thereby providing motivation for other tasks. The health benefits of a clean home include reducing the risk of allergies and illnesses for you and your family. Dust, mold, and bacteria are all present in one place. Clean environment reduces the chances of multiplication, what leads to a healthier living environment. Positive impacts have beneficial effects on interpersonal relationships between individuals. Maintaining a tidy home helps to create a positive atmosphere. Your interactions with others can have a profound impact on your relationships. Creating a welcoming atmosphere for guests fosters comfort, making your home a more inviting and enjoyable place to be. Motivation for regular tidying up. The numeral is 1. Taking small steps. The concept of tidying up the entire house can seem daunting and overwhelming at first. The FlyLady method recommends taking small, gradual steps in order to achieve the ultimate goal. Establish daily tasks for yourself to distribute the work over multiple days and prevent feeling overwhelmed. Next, establish consistent daily routines. The FlyLady system highlights the significance of established patterns. By completing specific tasks at designated times, you establish a framework that facilitates maintaining cleanliness in the home. It becomes an automated element of your everyday life routine. Third, 15-minute principle. If the concept of tidying up for extended periods of time appears overwhelming, does the FlyLady system offer the 15-minute rule? Commit to spending only 15 minutes a day on tidying up. This makes the process less overwhelming and easy to integrate into everyday life. 4. Set rewards. To sustain motivation, give yourself rewards for tasks that have been completed. These can be tiny items like a cup, coffee, or a quick stroll. Positive reinforcement assists in reinforcing and enhancing the cleaning process for better results. It was a positive experience to witness. The FlyLady system, developed by Marla Saleh, emphasizes that perfection is not the ultimate goal to strive for, but rather progress and consistency. The method is based on routines, dividing tasks into small steps and implementing the 15-minute principle. Small, attainable steps are the key to success, creating a tidy home in the long term. The FlyLady method places emphasis on the fact that perfection is not the ultimate goal to strive for. Instead, she places emphasis on the necessity of accepting oneself and celebrating small progress. By implementing these principles, you can not only creating a clean home, but also experience the positive effects on your life and well-being.